Today we're going to look at the new spectrum tube systems by Next Generation Science. Both the single tube power supply, which offers significant improvements over older units, and the completely novel design of the next-gen carousel. Systems like these are integral in a host of science labs for studying the characteristic spectra of various elements. The gas molecules within a tube become excited when a voltage is applied, and light is emitted when electrons transition between energy levels. The particular wavelengths of the light emitted are determined by the gas in the tube. In a sense, every element has a unique fingerprint, and many fields of science rely on these fingerprints to understand what makes up the world around us. The conventional units, which have been used for decades, like this one, have several distinct disadvantages. The tubes themselves can become rather hot and are also quite fragile, which makes handling and storing them a bit difficult. Another real concern is that the high voltage contacts are exposed, which poses a serious safety risk for the student. These new alternatives by Next Generation Science, on the other hand, are designed to address each of these issues. For one, the discharge tubes are enclosed in a hard polymer shell, reducing the risk of damage. This casing also helps insulate the glass tube, which makes it safer and easier to handle. Another rather clever design feature is that there are no internal electrodes, unlike the traditional tubes, and this significantly extends the life of the tube. As for the high voltage contacts, in these units they are concealed within the enclosure, and a magnetic interlock safeguard ensures that these contacts are only powered when the tubes are inserted correctly. This really is a significant step up in safety from older designs. As far as other features, the single unit easily stores 6 additional tubes, and an adjustable bracket allows for an easy connection of an optical fiber to an available spectrometer. The carousel accommodates internal storage of 8 tubes, making it effortless to switch between them. This design also makes demonstrations efficient and painless. For example, by attaching a digital spectrometer to the carousel with the included bracket, an instructor can display the spectra of several gases without the downtime of interchanging a tube or repositioning the spectrometer. Overall, these new units by Next Generation Science make experiments safer and easier, and quite frankly, more enjoyable for both the students and the instructor. They really do demonstrate a marked improvement over conventional offerings. For more information about these or other next generation designs, visit nextgensci.com.